Olive oil, often referred to as nature's liquid gold, is an essential staple in any modern kitchen. Whether you're frying or crafting a salad dressing, this versatile ingredient is sure to enhance your meals, adding rich flavor along with a hint of history and tradition to your daily dining. The process begins with harvesting the olives. Nowadays, automated harvesters have taken over manual picking. These machines boost efficiency, speeding up the harvesting processes and reduce labor. After being harvested, the olives are taken to the factory for thorough cleaning. They are washed in a specialized machine designed to maintain a steady flow of water over the olives, ensuring that any dirt, debris, or impurities are thoroughly removed before they proceed to the next stage of production. Then the olives go through a screening system. This step removes any remaining branches, twigs, or larger debris that might not cleared in the washing stage. Next, the olives undergo pressing at room temperature using two large millstones, usually made of granite. This method, known as cold pressing, ensures the olives are ground into a paste without heat, preserving their delicate flavor. After grinding, the olive paste goes through another stage called malaxation. In this step, the paste is mixed to encourage the oil droplets to merge and separate from the solid particles, following the traditional mat method. The olive paste is spread over large, round mats made from natural materials like straw or coconut fiber. These mats are stacked to create a press. A wooden press is then used on the stack, compressing the paste as increasing pressure is applied. The oil is steadily pushed out and drips through the mats into collection containers below. The residual solids, known as pumice, remain on the mats. Then a testing process takes place. Samples from the produced olive oil are gathered to be examined for their aroma and flavor. Finally, the olive oil is ready to be bottled and packaged. The factory uses state-of-the-art equipment to fill each bottle with exact precision, ensuring consistent quality and volume. Once filled, the bottles are sealed, tagged, and readied for shipment. From the humble olive grove to your kitchen, each bottle of olive oil tells a story of dedication, craftsmanship, and time-honored tradition. The next time you drizzle olive oil on your salad or heat it in a pan, think about the journey it took to get to you. Thanks for watching another episode of Frankie How's It Made. We'll see you in the next video.